Plants can be short, plants can be tall, whatever kind, I like them all. They give us oxygen, they give us air. We give them love, we give them care.
We take care of each as if they were our own, from when they are a seedling to fully grown, from berries to cherries, from apples to grapes. They give us different fruits and grow in different shapes. Greetings everyone! Today me Viraj Khanna and my friend Aditya Gupta from Amity International School Saket are here to present our project, the Auto Watering Self-Sustainable Indoor Farm. Hope you enjoy it.
Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. Water conservation is important because fresh, clean water is a limited source as well as a costly one. According to studies, less than 1% of the entire water on earth is fit for consumption. That is why we need to take as many steps as possible to avoid this situation from worsening.
Our project makes an optimal environment for the vegetation. It is very useful for the working people and for the people who live in apartments with less sunlight or outdoor space. The following project acts like a smart kitchen garden inside our own homes. The name of the project is Auto Watering Self-Sustaining Indoor Farm. Now my friend will tell you more about the project.
This project uses high efficiency daylight LEDs which provides as much light as a summer day while using very less amount of electricity. Plants love daylight all the time, but people do not. That is why we have equipped our project with a smoked glass door to keep the light where it belongs, inside our project. The door also keeps pests, pets and small children out of our project. Now my friend Viraj Khanna will explain you about the working of this project.
The working of our project is very simple. Our project integrates hydroponics because it is very convenient to apply indoors and allows us to avoid the use of soil, thus avoiding the use of pesticides or other harmful chemicals. Our project is also equipped with a system that will water the plants only as much as they require by the automatic plant watering system, which also is very eco-friendly and does not require any electricity to run and uses the capillary system to move water. The system also requires very less water and only consumes as much as the plant needs because this connects the plants to the water source. By a thread, the water source is connected with the plant. One end is in the water and the other end is tied up in the roots, thus allowing the water to be absorbed by the plants only as much as it needs. Now my friend will continue on the importance of this project.
This project can be very useful for working people who have an interest in vegetables and gardening and living in apartments and have always wanted a kitchen garden but cannot maintain the kitchen garden. This project helps the plant to grow successfully because it provides light, fresh air supply and water with the help of the automatic plant watering system.
On this slide, you can see the following pictures and this is how the project will look in real life. It will be a box with a fan, daylight LEDs and a water source which will depend on the automatic plant watering system as we discussed before.
This can be customized for each user as they like it and as it fits their space. Even the sizes, that shapes of the box can be customized as per the need and the usage of the customer. We can also give out our own pre-made sizes like small, medium and large that will depend on the plants and the amount of plants the customer is trying to put and grow inside the project. So, I hope you like our presentation.
Thank you everyone for being with us today on this presentation.